You are barking like me, huh? So how was your day, Miss Nuwangi?
Good.
Good? Okay, how are you, Nuwangi? Sorry. Miss Nuwangi, how are you?
Okay.
You're fine? How is your rabbit?
Good.
Is good?
Good.
Doing good?
Yes.
Or still naughty?
Still biting us.
Fighting, huh?
Yeah.
Good. I'd like what to see Miss Nuwangi when she's going back rivers. On the tight road, actually she's excellent. Without any mistakes. Yeah. We can do.
So I have to say like what I'm doing and everything.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hello everyone. I am with Miss Nuwangi today. In this video, guys, we're going to show you how to do forward parking. And Miss Nuwangi, she is really when she do her forward parking excellent. So she will show us today how she do it. Miss Nuwangi, how are you?
Good.
You okay?
Yeah.
All right. You want to?
Yeah. Okay.
You want to? Look, anything, no?
No.
Anything. Yeah. First, you know what to do.
First, you find a spot
Yeah.
and you wait for the line to align with your mirror.
Yeah.
And you slowly start turning.
Yeah. The line facing the mirror, and then you can turn into steering straight. Full, sorry.
And then you
Yeah.
make it straight.
Okay.
It sounds bad.
Yeah. It's okay. No, that's okay. I try to take a video from outside how you do it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. You can reverse it. You can check for other parking, no problem. Just when you need to park, you know what to do, no? You have to stay out of the line and give yourself some space. You know? Try to be in the right side there. Come on, Nuwangi. Well, I can do it. Yes. Right. Good. Good, Jeff. Thank you. That one is very good barking. You are barking like me, huh? Okay. Go out again. Oh, sorry. So today, guys, I'm going to tell you about Miss Nuwangi. The first day when she started practice with me, actually in Mine Road, she's driving like a pro driver. Her car never go out of the line. And also in the parking, forward parking, she's parking very good, and this is good points for her. But only maybe in
Few turns.
for the U-turn, yeah. But I can fix you up. Don't worry. Okay. So what you are getting from this experience, first day when you start driving, you know, with me?
First day. First day was really interesting because I wasn't really sure if I could control the car properly and everything. But Ahmed was really nice. He was very patient. So,
Thank you.
Yeah, he was very patient with my driving. So that's definitely a good thing. And I think I managed.
Okay, so are you ready today? You're going to show us how to do forward parking, right?
Yes.
Let's go.
Okay.
Go out first. Yeah?
First you go.
And you are okay also when you are going out, reversing from your house. Actually, from that one is very tight road, you know.
Yeah.
Not everyone can do it. This is good for you. Okay. Yeah. First, you know what to do. Okay, guys. I'm going to show you now how to untrain. You have to cut the target, you know. I mean the line, like that. Okay. When the mirror facing the line, you have to turn. And this way, like that now. Okay. And you can enter your car. Okay. And smooth and easy way. That's good. Yes, Miss Nuwangi, you can do it again?
Yeah.
Okay. Don't turn, Nuwangi. Just, yeah. You can face the line to the mirror, like that. Nice parking. You're doing great. Like pro driver. Okay guys, so Mr. Nuwangi, she will park to the left side. She really do it very great. She is confident with herself. Always guys, you have to be confident with yourself. Alright. So this is the line we have to shoot. Your car should be facing the line. I mean the mirror facing the line. Then you can turn like what Miss Nuwangi now doing. Okay, and smooth and easy way. Okay. All right. It's very easy, guys. So I'm trying to give you very quick tips and steps, okay guys. Okay, now Nuwangi, we're going to park left side. We are trying to practice left to right the parking, and she is getting ready for her road test. Hope she will pass soon, and good luck for her. Good luck for everyone. Right. Okay, Miss Nuwangi.